Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Romance Angel Divination guys. Today's tarot reading is going to be different guys. We'll be picking cards from the deck for your daily readings from the tarot deck, and I'll be giving your interactive love reading guys. So I'll be doing two readings actually. So I'll be picking cards from this deck. This is the Rumi deck, that is card number 1, the deck number 1, and this is the Wisdom Oracle deck guys. So this is the Oracle card number 2. So I'll be giving readings from both the decks. So whatever you feel like watching for your love energies guys, you can click that link and watch that video at the end. So this reading will resonate for all signs guys. So this is going to be a different kind of reading today. If you like this reading, please give your comments and I'll be happy to know your suggestions guys. Let's start the reading now. Hi Virgos, this is your daily energies guys. We'll be picking cards from this deck guys for your daily energies, and stay tuned for your interactive love energy reading guys. So I'll be doing reading from the Rumi Oracle deck and the Wisdom Oracle deck. So whichever deck you want to see the reading from, you click to that link and you will be able to see your reading for your love energies guys. So for your daily energies Virgos, Two of Wands in reverse, Ace of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles in reverse guys. Virgos, with these cards, the energy is that guys, you are getting some opportunities in your life. This may be in regarding your work situation, maybe some projects, or you may be signing some important deals, something out of your hard work. You are reaping the benefits of your hard work, your efforts guys, and things are going well, and you see that choice leading to success, some fortunate results, some that you are acquiring wealth or some good fortune guys. Things are flourishing, so that is what I see here. So you are having some surprising good news also guys, some communication coming your way today, maybe something you are really happy about in your situation guys. Things are going in a very positive way, maybe in your work, maybe some things that you had not expected, maybe some offers in your work, or it may be in the form of some collaborations or some business deals, whatever that is, something which you had not expected, something surprising, and it's just bringing that feeling of wonder in you, how things are falling into place for you Virgos. That's what I see here. Maybe for some of you all, you may be getting some important communication guys in your work. For some of you all, it may be something negative also, but some mostly I see here that it is a positive form of communication guys. Maybe you would have waited for some signatures, something to complete that deals or whatever you were making. You are able to complete that. That is what I see here. So some important form of communication is coming your way. It may also relate to your relationship. Maybe that long waited emails, or if you are in a long distance relationship from this person, you are getting some important messages or news about this person, or some important announcements, some communication coming your way, guys. That is very important here, important for you all. So that is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, it may even be something not very positive, guys. It may bring fear or certain troubles for you all. Maybe these opportunities that are coming to you, it may be something new, and you may have certain fears regarding that situation. You are still thinking what you need to do. You are not you have not made that a decision what you need to do in this particular situation, whether to take up that opportunity or not. You are thinking of the pros and cons in that situation. So that is also the energy here. But you are a person who has acquired so much till now. You have been really successful till now, but something new, something which you have not worked on till now, some new choice is coming your way. So you are just waiting, thinking within yourself what you need to do, whether to move forward with that new opportunity, whether that new opportunity will be successful. So it may relate to your relationship also, guys. Maybe you are single. If you are single, you are waiting for that relationship. Maybe this person you have met, maybe you want to move forward, or maybe they want to move forward with a deeper meaningful connection, but you are still thinking what you need to do. Because of your past experience, you do not want to make that same mistake again. So you are clearly thinking what you need. So you are just waiting here, guys. So with these cards, there is also that waiting energy, guys. Something you are not ready to move forward with. But I see here that maybe if you are in a relationship, it may be a long distance relationship. This person is making a surprise visit, or they may be sending you gifts, something really positive, or they may be making some important decisions and they are communicating to you. Maybe some love letters or some love messages, or some emails, some communication in writing, guys, that is coming towards you. So that may be something relating to your work situation also, just like I said about some deals or some offers that may come in writing in your work, or some people may be suggesting you as the person who can handle a certain project. So you may be signing some important deals because of that. So some kind of it may be something positive, or maybe for some of you all it may be something negative also, guys. Maybe a breakup with this person. Maybe they are communicating through some messages or email, or some things or regarding your work, some suspensions or something regarding your work, guys. So that may also be the energy here, guys. So that is the daily reading for you guys. So stay tuned for the love energy. So whatever card that you want to get the reading from, you please click on that link and you will get your love reading, guys. Stay tuned.